Breakfast time again. Second breakfast. Gut, 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 gut.
Yeah. That's it. There you go, Diane. Whoops, we're making a mess.
Jack's just waiting his turn.
Yeah. Okay, let's give you some more. I don't want a big mess. There you go. God. I know. Look at him. Or her, sorry. Oopsie. Open your mouth. There you go. Oh my God. There you go.
Alright, take 5. Take a breather.
Yeah.
Get that beak.
I'm gonna clean you up a little bit so you don't get that all over your fur. It's all over your. Hold on, you got a little bit right here.
That bird's a slob.
There you go. All right. Right tight. This one's so much bigger, Jack. Come on, Jack. There you go. Yeah. Yep.
She was so scared that she ran and I was so afraid that
Somebody's
Take a
cold.
second.
little boy.
Come here. I'm coming, Mark. Come here. There you go. Good boy. Yeah, you're ready for food. It's just going right down his throat.